Welcome to this tutorial on NumPy memory management. Today, we're diving into a critical concept, the difference between views and copies when working with arrays. Understanding this distinction is essential for writing efficient and bug-free code. Let's explore what happens when you duplicate arrays and why it matters. Let's start with a common problem that catches many beginners off guard. You create a NumPy array with values 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then you assign it to a new variable called new_r. When you modify the first element of new_r to 999, something unexpected happens. Both r and new_r are modified. Why does this occur? The answer lies in how NumPy handles array references. A view is simply a reference to the same memory location as the original array. When you create a view, no new data is actually created. Instead, both variables point to the exact same memory location. Think of it like two different labels pointing to the same box. If you change the contents through one label, you'll see the change through the other label too, because they're both accessing the same underlying data. There are several operations in NumPy that create views rather than copies. First, simple assignment. When you write new_r equals r, you're creating a view. Second, slicing. When you extract a portion like r1:3, that's also a view. Third, reshaping. Using the reshape method creates a view of the data in a different shape. And fourth, the explicit view method. Calling r.viewParentheses creates a view. All of these share memory with the original array. A copy, on the other hand, is a completely independent duplicate of your array. When you create a copy, new data is allocated in a separate memory location. The copied array is entirely independent from the original. Changes to one will not affect the other. It's like making a photocopy of a document. You now have two separate pieces of paper, and marking one doesn't affect the other. Creating a copy in NumPy is straightforward. Use the .copy method on your array. For example, copy_r equals r.copyParentheses. Now, when you modify copy_r, like setting the first element to 999, only the copy changes. The original array remains completely unchanged. This is the key difference. Copies give you data independence, while views maintain a connection to the original. Let's compare views and copies side by side. Views are faster because there's no data duplication happening. They're also memory efficient since they don't create additional copies of your data. However, changes made to a view will affect the original array. Copies, conversely, are slower because they duplicate all the data. They use more memory as well. But the trade-off is independence. Changes to a copy don't affect the original array. Choose views for efficiency, copies for safety. Let's recap the essential points. First, views share memory with the original array, making them efficient but potentially dangerous. Second, copies create independent data in new memory locations, giving you safety at the cost of performance. Third, always use the .copy method when you need data independence and want to avoid unintended side effects. And finally, remember that views are faster and save memory, but any changes you make will affect the original array. Understanding this distinction will help you write better, more predictable NumPy code.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.